Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Soha's Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today we are trying our hands at Carnatic classical music. So we have picked up a wonderful song, super fantastic song composed by Sri Tyagaraja, Niravadi Sukada. Niravadi Sukada is highly popular Sri Tyagaraja composition. This is set to Raga Ravichandrika, which is the Janya Raga of 28th Medakatta, that is Harikamboji. I repeat, Niravadi Sukada set to Raga Ravichandrika, which is the Janya Raga of 28th Medakatta Raga, that is Harikamboji. This is composed by Tyagaraja. This super fantastic song. I don't know the Swara Prastavas first, but I will give the complete lyrics, perfect lyrics. So those who are beginners can just take snapshot and mug up. Those are already into the field, Carnatic classical music experts, etc. They will be already knowing these lyrics. So anyway, this is for beginners who don't know. They can just take snapshot and learn these wonderful lyrics composed by Sri Tyagaraja. So here I go. Later we will enter into verbatim meanings also. I will first give the lyrics. Niravadi Sukada Nirmala Rupa Nirjita Munishapa Niravadi Sukada Nirmala Rupa Nirjita Munishapa Sat Rigamanida Nimadama Karisada Sat Rigamanida Nimadama Karisada Niravadi Sukada Nirmala Rupa Nirjita Munishapa Sharadi Bandhana Nata Sankrandana Sharadi Bandhana Nata Sankrandana Shankaradigiya Manasa Dhumanasa Susadana Shankaradigiya Manasa Dhumanasa Susadana Sharadi Bandhana Nata Sankrandana Sharadi Bandhana Nata Sankrandana Shankaradigiya Manasa Dhumanasa Susadana Niravadi Sukada Nirmala Rupa Nirjita Munishapa Mamava Marakata Manini Badeha Mamava Marakata Manini Badeha Shrimani Lola Shrita Janapala Shrimani Lola Shrita Janapala Bhima Parakrama Bhima Karachita Bhima Parakrama Bhima Karachita Tamasaraja Samana Vadura Tamasaraja Samana Vadura Tyagaraja Vinuta Charana Niravadi Sukada Nirmala Rupa Nirjita Munishapa Niravadi Sukada Nirmala Rupa Nirjita Munishapa. So this is it. This is beautiful song, fantastic. Set to Raga Ravichandrika. Hope you all enjoyed this beautiful song. So in the next upcoming video, we'll take up the verbatim meaning of this song, this superb song. When we learn the verbatim meanings, it will be very easy to buy it and mug up the song. That is it. So this is Suhas Ripi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, January 2011. As usual, all those Brahmins who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, Brahmins worldwide, can please catch me direct on 876200815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swati. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.